Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Beauty Grabox for the month of July, and this is how it looks. It comes in a matte black packaging and has this grayish design. It has Grabox written here, and then at the back of the box we have all the details about the company, which is Facon, and we have their Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and their email ID. So yeah, and we have their website written here too. The packaging is like always. My box got a little distorted because of transit and everything, but nonetheless, if the products are intact inside, it does not matter. And I'm sorry, I know it's too late to unbox any subscription box now because there are just a lot of unboxing videos on YouTube, but I received my crab box very late. Like it took about 10 days or 12 days to reach me, so I was a bit disappointed for that. Like I placed my order on 1st July morning and I received it on 11th July evening. So yeah, that's that. And so this is how everything looks from inside. Everything comes nicely wrapped inside this pouch, and we have all the products here, and here we have some decoration stuff, and then we have the product details card. So it says congratulations on your Beauty Grab box, and then it has all the product details, which I will go through one by one once I show you the products. So yeah, now let's just start with the unboxing. So the first thing that comes into my hand is this Eternal Davies Color of Life Real Black Kajal 12-hour waterproof perfect eye defying kajal. So it is just basically a kajal which retails for 125 rupees. So it claims to be smudge proof, long lasting, waterproof, extra smooth, has herbal extract, 100% safe and natural, 12-hour stay, and gives your eyes the high definition. It also soothes, relaxes and nourishes your eyes while giving it a good finishing. So I have never heard of this brand, but the claims sound very interesting. To be honest, I'm not a kajal person. I don't wear kajal on a daily basis, and that is why it is the least used product in my makeup vanity. So I'll see if I can use this because I have 2 more kajals to finish up, or else I will give it to someone or just do a giveaway. So yeah, we have the Davis kajal here. Then the second product is this Facon Aloe Gold Gel, and it sounds very interesting. I was very excited about this product in the box. So it retails for about 250 rupees, and this is how it looks from the inside. It is not a gel consistency, but it has a very moussey consistency, which once you blend feels like gel. But in the box it is, you can see it does not feel like gel. It is very thick. So yeah, the smell is quite mild. It smells a little bit like Johnson's baby powder. So it is freshly manufactured on May 2018, and it can be preserved till 2 years after the date of manufacturing, which is a good thing. And then about the Facon Aloe Gold Gel, in the card it's written, Facon Aloe Gold Gel is an extravagant blend of rose water, aloe vera, argan extract and gold dust. Argan extract and aloe vera is full of proteins, vitamins and minerals, which seals in moisture and strengthens hair and skin. It reduces your acne and prevents skin for aging. It has the ability to keep your skin fresh and cool in summers. How to use is apply gently on skin and leave it for 20 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. You can also leave it to soak further in your skin. I think of course you can also leave the gel like that, and I don't think you compulsorily need to wash it. So yes, I'm very excited for this because firstly it has gold dust, which I think is very fancy, and secondly gel based products work very good for my skin type. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Then the third product is this face and body cleansing scrub gel, and it is in the variant orange. So yeah, I have used this earlier, and it is gel based scrub, and I will just show you how it works so you can understand better, because explaining this thing is very difficult. So as you can see, this is the consistency of the gel, and you just have to apply it like this. So you can see it has left this kind of rubbery thing, so I will just remove this. So this is how it works. It scrubs the skin very gently without any harsh scrubbing beads. So you can use this on your face and body both. I just generally use it on my body. So it says that it effectively peels off aged horniness, remove dirts from skin surface and face and whole body. The best skincare product promote metabolism and blood circulation, makes skin tender, bright, young and healthy, featuring the planet's natural power that help your skin silky. Face and body cleansing scrub scrub gel contains rich vitamin E, C, D, B12, etc. and fruit essence. With 12 hours moisturizing formula, it can effectively remove aging, cut in, eliminate skin outer layer dirt, promote metabolism and blood circulation, leaving skin tender, delicate and luster with ginseng fragrance. It smells like a mild talcum powder, nothing too overpowering. So yes, that was the face and body scrub, which retails for rupees 300. And then the second last product we have here is again a very exciting product. So again we have a product from the in-house brand Facon, and it is the Neroli Hydrosol 100% natural. This is a face mist, I suppose, and it is again freshly bottled on June 2018 and is best before 2 years, and its MRP is rupees 400. The ingredients is 100% pure Neroli Hydrosol, which is very amazing for your skin. I will just tell you its benefit in a while. It is also cruelty free and has no parabens and no preservatives, which is very good. And by the way, Facon has some amazing skincare products. I really like them. It smells a bit citrusy. So yes, I'm really very excited to try this one. And by the way, if you want to see a review on any of the products which I have shown in this unboxing, then please do comment below. I would love to do a separate review for you guys. So yeah, and now talking about the benefits of the hydrosol, it's written that Facon Neroli Hydrosol is a distilled form of blossom of the bitter orange tree. Facon Neroli Hydrosol acts as a natural astringent which tightens, firms and tones your skin. It fights off pro-aging and skin damaging free radicals. It works in radical cleansing and exfoliating your skin as well as pores. It can be used as a skin cleanser, toner, body splash, sunburn soother and makeup remover too. So with this one bottle of goodness, you can do so many things. You can apply it on your sunburn. You can also use it as a face mist or body mist. You can also use it as a toner and primer and makeup remover too. So yeah, I'm really happy to get this one. And then last but not the least, we have the Kiss Beauty lipstick, and it looks so good. Like, you see the packaging, I really like the marble effect, and this is how the color looks like. It is a very beautiful burgundy color. I hope you can see. So yes, this is how the color looks like. And for the shade of lipstick, you will not get a choice. You will get random colors, but the colors are very universal. Like, there are pink, reds and maroons and nudes, so you need not worry for that. So here is the swatch of the lipstick. So this is the color. It looks very stunning, and the price of this lipstick is rupees 200. Also this month they have dropped the price of the Beauty Grabox. It just retails for rupees 360 including shipping, which is amazing. And for the products worth rupees 1275, it's totally worth. So yes, my final verdict about this month's box is that the products are really amazing. I like each and every product. My favorite has to be this Neroli Hydrosol and the Aloe Gold Gel. I'm really excited to try them. The only things I didn't like about Grabox was that the delivery was very delayed, and the second thing is that I wish the packaging could be a little more secure, because this situation right here is not the best. Like, it's not very annoying because only the box got damaged, but anything could have happened. The products might have also got distorted. So yeah, I think they could work a little bit more on the packaging. So yeah, that was a wrap for my unboxing, and this is me, Aditi, signing off, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.